that the government will issue guidelines on rupee-denominated bonds in about a week's time. Sapna Das is joining in with those exclusive details from New Delhi. Sapna, what have you been picking up?
Well, the rupee-denominated bond issue has been in the public domain for quite some time, right after RBI announced it in its monetary policy way back in April. There's already a ready framework available on the RBI website for the same. What remains now are the tax clarifications which are expected from the Ministry of Finance over the next couple of days, probably as early as a week. Basically, they're trying to, they'll be explaining the procedure in terms of the withholding tax issue. How will that pan out in terms of the capital gains matter? How will that impact, potential investors? So the point here is very clear that a decision has been taken in terms of allowing corporates which are already eligible for raising ECBs to do the same also in the rupee-denominated bonds, because that will lessen the exchange rate risk. That will be more on the investor side. But to kind of invite investors on that front, it's important that the tax clarifications have to come out. So, of course, this is always a turf war between the Department of Economic Affairs and Department of Revenue, but they are in active consultation as of now to figure out what needs to be done in terms of the withholding tax, the capital gains tax, and stuff like that. Apart from this, there has been no other relaxation in terms of the ECB policy. The end-user restrictions are all very much there. All that is being allowed on the part of the corporates is that they can raise some of their external debt in rupee bonds so that the exchange rate risk is shifted to the investor and not to the issuer. Apart from this, there is plenty of space available under the FII debt limit for corporate bonds also. It's a $51 billion window. Hardly 70% of that has been subscribed as of now. So corporates who are interested in issuing corporate bonds over there, they can invite FIIs in terms of the rupee exposure also. But of course, all that will happen after the tax clarity comes.
All right, Sapna, thank you so much for getting us those details on that note. We'll take a very quick break, but when we